Ever wondered how to make the dream of owning your dream home a reality? We've all been there, grappling with the daunting hurdles of high down payments and stringent credit score requirements. It can feel like an uphill battle, right? But that's where finding the right loan comes into play. It's about identifying a loan tailored to your specific needs, one that can turn that dream into a tangible reality. Well, the FHA loan might just be the solution you've been searching for. So, what exactly is an FHA loan, you might be asking? Well, let's delve into it. FHA stands for Federal Housing Administration. Now, this might sound like a bunch of bureaucratic jargon, but it's actually a pretty simple concept. FHA loans are government-insured mortgages. Their purpose? To make homeownership more accessible to folks who might not meet traditional lending requirements. You see, FHA loans come with a lower down payment requirement. This means you don't need to save up an astronomical amount of money to get your foot in the door. Plus, they offer more flexible credit score guidelines. So even if your credit score isn't sparkling, you could still get your ticket to home ownership. In essence, FHA loans are designed to turn the dream of home ownership into a reality for more people. They are a lifeline, a bridge, a stepping stone to that home sweet home you've been dreaming about. Now you might be wondering what makes FHA loans so special. Well, there's a whole lot to love about FHA loans. Let's dive into the benefits. Firstly, FHA loans are known for their lower down payments. Traditional mortgages may require down payments as high as 20%, but with an FHA loan you may be able to put down as little as 3.5%. This can make the dream of homeownership more attainable for many. Next, FHA loans provide more flexible credit score requirements. While conventional loans often require a high credit score, FHA loans are more forgiving, making them a great option for those with less than stellar credit. Another wonderful benefit is the ability to use a cosigner. If your income isn't quite high enough to qualify for the loan on your own, you can have a cosigner, like a parent or other close relative, help you out. This flexibility can make all the difference between being able to buy a home or not. But what if you run into financial trouble down the line? This is where FHA loans really shine. They offer the possibility of financial hardship relief. This means you could potentially get assistance or have your loan terms adjusted if you're going through a tough time financially. Last but certainly not least, FHA loans are assumable. This is a lesser-known benefit, but it can be a big one. It means that if you decide to sell your home, the buyer can take over your loan. This can be a great selling point, especially if interest rates have risen since you took out your loan. With such impressive benefits, it's easy to see why FHA loans are a popular choice for many home buyers. From lower down payments and more flexible credit score requirements, to the ability to use a cosigner and the possibility of financial hardship relief, FHA loans are designed to help you reach your homeownership goals. So why wait? Start exploring the possibilities of an FHA loan today. Before you rush to apply for an FHA loan, there are a few key points to keep in mind. First off, let's bust a common myth. FHA loans are not just for first-time home buyers. So, if you've bought a home before, but find yourself in a pickle now, an FHA loan could still be an option for you. Now, here's something important to remember. FHA loans require mortgage insurance. This is a safety net for lenders in case you default on your loan, but it also means an extra cost for you. You'll have to pay an upfront premium and then continue with annual premiums over the life of the loan. Also, there are limits on how much you can borrow with an FHA loan. These limits can vary depending on where you live, so it's crucial to check what they are in your area. But don't just take these points at face value. It's essential to consider your individual circumstances. What works for one person may not work for another. Maybe an FHA loan is perfect for you, or perhaps a conventional loan would be a better fit. This is where consulting with a mortgage professional can be invaluable. They can provide insight into the nuances of different loan types and help you navigate the home buying process. Remember, the right home loan for you is the one that best fits your individual needs and circumstances. So, consider all your options, do your research, and make an informed decision.